If I could change my life, I think I would start with my daily routine. I would wake up earlier and spend more time doing things I enjoy, like reading or going for a walk. If I had more free time, I would learn a new skill, maybe something creative like painting or photography. I think it would make my life more interesting and help me relax. If I didn't have to worry about money, I would travel a lot. I would visit different countries, try new food, and meet new people. I believe I would learn a lot from those experiences. If I could choose any job, I would do something I really love. I wouldn't work just for money. I would want to feel happy and motivated every day. Also, if I were more confident, I would take more risks and try new things. I think my life would be very different if I didn't feel afraid of making mistakes. Overall, if I could change a few things, I would try to live a more balanced and enjoyable life.